By maintaining the highest levels of animal health, dairy producers can consistently produce high-quality milk throughout the year to maximize their farm's profitability. By keeping your cows healthy, comfortable, and calm at milking time, you will produce high-quality milk, whether your animals are milked once, twice, or 3 times a day. The overall setup and maintenance of your milking system, and utilizing the best tools and equipment for your farm, is paramount to optimizing your herd's health. Using quality liners, maintaining the correct vacuum and pulsation settings, ensuring proper udder preparation, choosing the correct teat spray, and focusing on cow comfort are elements of milking that can be fine-tuned to suit your specific parlour. By maintaining the ideal balance among these variables, you'll be able to extract milk as efficiently and effectively as possible while ensuring the best possible udder health and hygiene for higher quality milk production every day of the year.